In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto layout in Figma. If you're looking to streamline your design process and enhance your workflow efficiency, mastering auto layout will be an invaluable skill. Auto layout is a powerful tool within Figma that automatically aligns and combines elements to create a clean and efficient layout. This allows you to focus more on creativity and less on manually adjusting alignments and sizes. Let's start by looking at our first example. Here I have a text element where the text box size is oversized compared to the actual text content. This can often make a design look unpolished or cluttered. With auto layout, resolving this is straightforward. All you need to do is select the text element and simply press Shift+A. Once you do this, you'll notice that the text box instantly resizes to snugly fit the text. It's that simple. The excess space around the text disappears, leaving you with a neatly wrapped text box that adjusts automatically. Now, let's explore another capability of auto layout by arranging multiple elements. If you have several boxes that need to be aligned, auto layout can handle that too. Start by selecting all of the boxes you want to arrange. With them selected, press Shift+A once more. You'll immediately notice that the boxes become aligned in a consistent manner, essentially distributing them evenly based on default or custom settings. This eliminates any inconsistencies in spacing and alignment, giving your design a more professional appearance. But what makes auto layout really versatile is the ability to adjust padding and spacing manually. Once the elements are arranged, you can fine-tune spacing by adjusting the padding around the elements. This is especially useful if you have specific design constraints or aesthetic preferences. Experimenting with these settings will give you a better idea of how you can customize your layouts to suit your needs. Moreover, you have control over the order of the frames. If you wish to rearrange the layout order within the group of elements, you can simply drag and drop them into new positions as needed. This gives you the flexibility to adapt to changes quickly and intuitively without disrupting the overall alignment. To wrap up, auto layout in Figma is a simple yet powerful tool that significantly enhances how you manage and organize your design elements. By practicing with this feature, you'll save time and effort in your future projects, allowing you more freedom to explore creative ideas rather than getting bogged down in the details of manual adjustments. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!